Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with what many are calling the best bottled water stock available. Waiakea naturally alkaline Hawaiian volcanic water. Let's get into it. Waiakea water isn't your average bottled water. It's sourced from the pristine slopes of Mauna Loa, one of the world's most active volcanoes, right here in Hawaii. But what sets Waiakea apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, Waiakea water is naturally alkaline, boasting a pH level of around 8.2. This means it's less acidic than many other bottled waters, potentially offering a host of benefits for your body's pH balance. But that's not all. Waiakea water is packed with natural electrolytes and minerals, straight from the heart of the Hawaiian volcanic rock. These minerals not only enhance the taste but also contribute to your overall hydration and well-being. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the smoothness and purity of Waiakea water, with many praising its clean taste and refreshing mouthfeel. And with over 9,900 ratings averaging at 4.6 stars, it's clear that this water is making waves in the hydration game. Now, let's talk sustainability. Waiakea isn't just about providing you with great tasting water. They're committed to ethical and sustainable practices too. Their bottles are made from 100% recycled materials, reducing plastic waste and environmental impact. Plus, by supporting Waiakea, you're also supporting the local community in Hawaii. Waiakea gives back through various initiatives, making a positive impact right where it all begins. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for the best of the best when it comes to bottled water stocks, look no further than Waiakea naturally alkaline Hawaiian volcanic water. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and stay tuned to Product Critique for more reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching.